Actually do this for once. We gotta go back into the tunnels because we left off there, and I don't think I went to farm with Joe's on one his characters, so we'll just do the troggies first. That way I don't want to deal with these fuckers. Oh, I freaking had him. God damn. You gotta get here, gotta get it, 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 get it. It's a crocodile. God, brain, it's a crocodile, not a gator. Crocodile.
Sorry to have drawn things on, but considering the trouncing you've given my men in the past, you've done me and mine a great service, pirate, and I'm ready to leave our brass monkey. He's as tricky as a ghost, and more elusive. In the ongoing hostilities between my countrymen and Monquista, Brass has sunk a dozen Marleybone warships. Go destroy 10 Monquistan ships, then come back here. If the brass monkey thinks his record's in danger, you can draw him out.
To the pyramid. Fuck! I hate this. God. I'm like, okay, for those. I have to keep reminding myself the only reason why I'm continually forward with this is so I can play, so Joyce can come join me in recording. I believe he is my only friend. I cannot see it. My list because maybe on there. I can't see that first line. My recording bar is blocking it. I wish I can move it though. I hate this.
Okay. Okay. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's over here. So, how if everyone's December holidays? I know Hanukkah started yesterday on the day before, on the 8th, according to my calendar. I know Advent started on the 3rd. I don't know. My calendar doesn't tell me every holiday that happens. But I want to say it for those happy Hanukkah for those who celebrate it. Other 1 second. Why is this? Okay, I fixed it. I usually sorry about that. I usually listen to something. I need to sink a lot of these. I was gonna go through some shit while we wait for myself to be able to do things. Ooh, I'm debating that. Why did I have that not be? Oh, I think if I can let's actually check these all. $25. I know agility is probably best for her, this one. Save the Peacemaker because I think that would be cool. I'm just gonna end it here, and next time you see me again, we will be done with the next episode. I'll be done with this. So I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.